Origin OS is finally launched, so let's check what are the new additions. Starting with the smoothness. Yes, there is a lot more smoother UI experience now with greater animation, especially when you pull down the notification bar. The transition is much smoother in the terms of battery percentage level position, that particular area. Now, talking about the notification panel, it's completely changed. You get the Apple like liquid cool or liquid type of designs that you can also get in split mode, where you can get one side notification, one side the controls, or in the setting you can change it and get the merge format where you can single pull get first notification then the controls above it. So it is a good option to have the addition of the both system, because some people like the single tap notification, some people like the split notification section. The app drawer it's also changed. The folder settings is get a little bit change, but we talk about later. Let's now talk about the lock screen. Starting with the AOD to main screen transition. Oh man, it's a great look. Yeah, somebody might say that it's copy from OnePlus, but no, it is a much better in terms of smoothness. And you also get much better options in terms of the wallpaper transition. You get this pop-up transition where the subject is little out of the frame that you can create. Yeah, obviously you can create that, you can set your own image, you can get some pre-added image. The notification in the lock screen in the bottom side like iPhones. Again, the sound bar where you can control it is now getting thicker and getting an arrow to get all controls, like inspired by Apple again, but with a vivo touch. Especially when you go in full setting, the glow effect in the bar, this is a great touch, and this little touch make the original OS a great new OS for the Indian market. You can get a lot of new widgets. Some of them have good functionalities like this battery percentage widget, or you can get the adjustable widgets where you can change the size, but they are not that much and you already get them in different brands with different names. But yeah, you have it. The transformation, the looks, they are a great addition. And now again another Apple copy but with great implementation, the origin bar. Yeah, I said it is called origin island or origin bar something, but it is a great addition. You can use it as a app bar, or you can know the tablets, you get a control bar where you get the apps and you can transport one thing, copy and paste in other apps. It works just like them, and that's a great addition to have. Now the liquid design or whatever they might say, I don't remember, it looks good, but what one thing I like the most is the lock unlocking animation. Yeah, you obviously get a new animation while tapping in the pin or getting the pattern unlock, but when you use the fingerprint scanner, oh man, that's a great addition. Obviously you get widget additions, but the fingerprint animation, I can't tell you how smooth it is. When you actually use it, you might think that yeah, I am just tapping a water bubble. It looks so much awesome. It's more like you are tapping a point of water and then the water is circling around. Look, let me show you. Yeah, you can show you now. That's when I tap it, it's like the water is moving around. That's a great addition to have. Now you obviously get a lot more new wallpapers, new widgets, etc. But this is probably the first beta, so it's a lot more to come. Let's wait for the final complete outdoor. I'm so excited about this. So let me know in the comments what are your thoughts, what do you want more to add by Vivo, or what do you think is overdone a little bit or too much copy. So let me know in the comment. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video.